Hey, what's up, traders? Dave FX Hunter here. This is a Euro JPY. So, what's going on here? We can see that the market has reached this institutional level on the monthly, and we have seen for a whole year a nice move up. And even we are breaking through this previous monthly institutional level where the price has stopped for some time, retraced it, and now it's creating new higher high, which has made a new level for the potential longs, right? So on the weekly, it looks like this. So what's going on in here? And yeah, so this is a beautiful uptrend. Now we are reaching these this level, so it's creating these let's call it illusion of the resistance, right? So what people probably start to do is the shorting, and we have the data for that. So we can see that 72% of the retail traders are already shorting with the average price around 1 to 3.811. So they already actually shorted probably this break or maybe this retest. They probably expected the continuation and price was taken up. So it's making these double, so-called double top. So I believe even more people will be shorting here while the price start to drop down, and it will make something like this, I think. So let's go to daily, and what we can see in here is that here is this still room to fill up this liquidity where will be the stop losses of those sellers, right? So I'm only thinking and waiting while the price will drop a little bit lower into the daily level, and I will be looking for the long in here, right? And on the 4 hours time frame, it looks like it will drop down, and I will be looking for the entry on this, for example, maybe the gap or maybe this institutional level. I cannot say that right now because it of course must come into the level and confirms my strategy that it's okay to enter, right? Let's go to look to the what's doing, what institutions are doing. I will of course post this indicator below this idea so you can check it. Let's check the euro. So on the euro, we can see that the banks are quite bullish, right? So they've been in the summer around the 266k long. They took out some profit and they did this extension, and now they are building the longs again. What we are seeing with the shorts, yes, they're building the shorts, of course. So but overall it's still kind of bullish, 74% to 26. That tells me that if they want to turn the market down, they will need to take out the profit. And where would you take the profit? Of course in the higher prices, right? You don't want to close the longs when price drops down. Of course they're doing the hedging, and they could do anything because they own all money. However, I don't think it's gonna be the case right now. Let's check the JPY. JPY is, it's a own story, right? Every time when the JPY reach the 80% exposure of the long side, there start to be profit taking. So the JPY right now a bit stronger and then maybe the weaker. But remember, we are in the first week of the new year, and that's mostly most JPY crashes happen in this week or the next week, in the first 2 weeks of the new year. So be very cautious on this one. So yeah, this one looks definitely more bullish for me because look, yes, we have the institutions, the non-commercials who trading for the profit, more bullish. But look at the commercials, we must include them as well. They are very, very bearish, right? So once these institutions, the banks, start to take the profit from their longs, this will take the price down of on the JPY. So if we have bullish euro, bearish JPY, that means that euro JPY should go higher, and we would be waiting for that in once it comes into this nice liquidity zone, right? So basically I want to see first dip into these levels, where will be of course the stop losses of the buyers, and then the continuation higher into this weekly level. All right, my friends, wish you good luck. Bye bye.